All right, let's do Mary Did You Know using this rhythm of together, left, together, left, together, left, together, left. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Together, left, together, left, together, left, together, left. And you're doing broken chords in the left hand, solid chords in the right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just practicing that nice steady marching rhythm, but adding in this broken rhythm in the left hand a little bit to kind of create just a little bit of flowiness to your song, but still keeping it simple. Okay, so let's take a look at that Mary Did You Know. And you could kind of, this might be a little fast for you when you're practicing along with me, but work out a rhythm that works good for you. So it's going to go, Mary, did you know? Together, left, together, left, together. It's kind of speedy. Mary, did you know that your G baby boy would D minor one day walk on E sus water? Mary, did you A minor know that your G baby boy would D minor save us sons and E daughters? Did you? And then you can go through the whole song using that little rhythm. But what I want to encourage you to do is, this is just merely a tool. So this new rhythm could be something that you could introduce maybe just in the verses or just the chorus or just a bridge, and then go back to maybe just a steady, nice together right rhythm where you're used to, or block chording through where, you know, maybe for did you know that your baby boy would one come to make you new? So maybe that line you just do block chords through, then pick it up again. Here we go. This child that you've delivered would E sus soon deliver E you. See how beautiful that could sound by just adding in this syncopated kind of rhythm, this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.